You are a showstopper. That's why you'll love the Creative Kickstart promotion from Chalk Couture just for January and just in time to express yourself like the original you are. Meet the Showstopper Trio. 3 incredible reusable mesh silkscreen transfers from Chalk Couture. Get them for a deal before they're gone for good. Each one has pump up your powerful self sentiments and icons. Use them exactly as they are on t-shirts, mugs, notebooks, gifts, and of course, your favorite chalkboards, pillows, and wall decor. Or mix and match these building blocks to create a statement piece as unique as you are. We have even created a gorgeous palette pack with on-trend colors you can add to your order. It includes 6 sexy shades and enough paste to complete 5 to 7 average-sized projects. Now, here's the deal. Visit your independent designer's Chalk site or chalkcouture.com to start shopping. Choose 1 Showstopper transfer free when you spend $75 US or 105 Canadian. Choose 2 Showstopper transfers free when you spend 100 US or 135 Canadian. Or get 3 Showstopper transfers free when you spend 125 US or 175 Canadian. You can get nearly $45 US or more than $60 Canadian in free fabulosity. And pro tip, order the surfaces, squeegees, and palette pack to finish the look as your qualifying purchase. You'll kickstart your creativity and your 2021 in Chalk Couture style. Visit chalkcouture.com today to get your Showstopper deal now.